A gene has two main parts, a regulatory region containing promoter and a transcription region which contains the coding information for protein product. During the first phase of gene expression called transcription, the nucleotide sequence in a gene is used as a template to make the complementary RNA molecule. Although this example is from a eukaryotic chromosome, the three basic phases of transcription are similar in both eukaryotes and prokaryotes: initiation, elongation, and termination. In eukaryotes, the enzyme RNA polymerase II is responsible for transcribing protein coding genes. The process is simplified here to show the polymerase binding to the promoter on its own. But in reality, the initiation phase of transcription in eukaryotes requires participation of many other proteins. This binding forces the DNA double helix in the transcription region to separate into two single strands and what is known as a bubble, formation of this bubble. Based on the orientation of the regulatory sequence in the DNA, only one of the two separate DNA strands serves as the template strand during transcription. The other strand is called non-template strand. In the elongation phase, the RNA polymerase molecule bind to travel in one direction along the template strand, catalyzing the addition of complementary ribonucleotides. The RNA strand elongates in the 5' to 3' direction. These numbers indicate the orientation of the sugar phosphate backbone in the DNA or RNA strand. The template DNA strand is anti-parallel, meaning it reads in the opposite direction. A close-up shows some details of the RNA and DNA. An adenine base in RNA pairs with the thymine base T in DNA. Because the RNA has uracil rather than thymine, an adenine base in DNA pairs with a uracil in RNA. Hydrogen bonds form between the complementary base pairs. As in DNA synthesis, new ribonucleotides are added to the 3' hydroxyl group of growing RNA strand being synthesized. In the incoming nucleotide pairs properly to the next base in the template DNA. The RNA polymerase catalyzes the formation of a covalent bond. As a result, the RNA chain is elongated from 5' to 3' direction. The termination phase. Termination phase ends here. The RNA polymerase proceeds along with the length of the gene. As the polymerase travels, the RNA dissociates from the DNA and the DNA reforms a double helix. The sequence at the end of the gene called transcription termination signal direct the polymerase to end transcription. The RNA, DNA and polymerase then dissociate from each other. The RNA polymerase is free to transcribe other genes. Now let's look at the process of RNA transcription in prokaryotes and involvement of sigma factor in recognizing the promoter sequence of the prokaryotic DNA. The principal enzymes responsible for transcription of DNA into RNA is RNA polymerase. In E. coli, RNA polymerase is a complex enzyme made up of multiple polypeptide chains, including a loosely bound chain called the sigma subunit or sigma factor. RNA polymerase initially binds non-specifically and then migrates along the DNA until the sigma subunit binds specifically to the region within a gene's promoter called -35 and -10 promoter elements. The numbers describe the nucleotide position relative to the start of transcription. It is noted with +1. The initial binding between the polymerase and the promoter is referred to as a closed promoter complex because DNA is not unwound. The polymerase then unwounds and dozen bases of the DNA to form an open promoter complex in which the single-stranded DNA is available as a template for transcription. Transcription is initiated by the joining of two free nucleotides triphosphatidase or NTPs. After the addition of about 10 NTPs, the sigma subunit is released from the polymerase. The polymerase then moves along the template DNA to continue the elongation of the growing RNA chain. This is elongation phase of transcription. RNA synthesis continues until the polymerase encounters a termination signal, at which point transcription stops, the RNA is released and the polymerase is also released.